Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn guitar with ADHD step by step. Begin by setting small, clear goals and use a timer for brief, focused practice sessions. Pick one chord or riff per session and repeat it slowly with attention. Track progress in a simple notebook and celebrate tiny wins. Keep sessions playful, adjust goals weekly, and prioritize songs you genuinely enjoy to stay motivated. Use deliberate practice techniques to make progress predictable and fun. Break songs into small sections and focus on one section until it feels natural, then combine them. Add visual markers and tactile cues to help your hands find the right spot faster. Use a metronome and increase tempo gradually, only when accuracy is reliable. Keep sessions short, aim for consistency, and reward yourself after each completed milestone. Quick recommendation and a tiny favor. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Also, on another note, I love these leak-proof meal prep containers that make healthy snacks easy between practice sessions and rehearsals. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Create an ADHD-friendly routine that balances structure with flexibility to keep you engaged. Anchor practice to an existing habit, like after breakfast, to make it automatic. Alternate warm-ups, targeted drills, and songs you love so every session feels productive and enjoyable. Use small rewards and tell a friend your goals for accountability. Adjust routines based on energy and celebrate progress to build lasting momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.